Hey guys, we received this Furtalk sun hats for test and try. Can be used by both men and women. It comes in a really nice packable, gift box. So you can just give it to someone. It's a very nice hat, the sun hat, as you can see it here. So this have a bucket hat and a summer bucket hat with a UPF of 50 plus, and can be used. And this have a hole like just to if you have long hairs, you want to just take it out. So this have keeping things in mind of a nice design with this band and also the nice fabric here. So this have a wide brim of around 3.35 inches and adjustable chin strap, protective, nice fit on the hair or the head, and then can also be used for the long hair people can be used. So it's an adjustable string and a ponytail hole. So very nice material, I will say comfortable and easy to wear and use with the different function with a lightweight and easy to carry design. So very nice sun hat for the summer use.